Self-watering planters are a gardener's friend. They take the guesswork out of watering honestly. These planters help your plants thrive. Say goodbye to the fear of overwatering. Self-watering planters come in many shapes and sizes. They work indoors and outdoors, which is super handy. Whether you're a beginner or an expert gardener, these planters offer convenience. Give your plants the consistent moisture they need. There are two key parts to a self-watering planter: the reservoir and the wicking system. The reservoir is a separate compartment. It sits below the soil and holds the water. The wicking system connects the reservoir to the soil. It's usually made of a porous material, This material draws water up into the soil. The plant's roots then absorb the water as needed. Many self-watering planters have extra features. Overflow holes prevent the reservoir from overfilling. This protects your plants from root rot, which is such a relief. Water level indicators tell you when to refill the reservoir. These features make it even easier to keep your plants hydrated. Self-watering planters offer several benefits. They reduce the frequency of watering, which is, perfect for busy individuals. These planters prevent both overwatering and underwatering, making plant care so much easier. Self-watering planters are ideal for frequent travelers, and they also benefit those who struggle to maintain a consistent watering schedule. Enjoy healthier, happier plants with less effort. You can find self-watering planters at most garden centers. They come in a variety of materials and sizes, so you can choose one that suits your style and the needs of your plants. Feeling crafty? Create your own self-watering planter. Just repurpose a container, add a reservoir, and a wicking system. It's a fun and affordable way to enjoy the benefits of self-watering. Self-watering planters offer a simple solution. Enjoy the beauty of thriving plants and free yourself from the worry of watering schedules. Consider trying a self-watering planter. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Your plants will thank you for it. Ready to make the switch? Finding the right self-watering planter is easier than you might think. For online shoppers, websites like Amazon, Etsy, and the Home Depot offer a wide variety of designs, sizes, and materials. Prefer to shop in person? Check your local garden centers, big box stores like Walmart or Lowe's, and even some hardware stores. Prices can vary based on size and features. Small plastic self-watering pots often start around $10 to $15, while larger or decorative options can range from $25 to $60 or more. If you're looking for premium materials or smart features, expect to invest a bit more. No matter your budget or style, there's a self-watering planter out there to fit your needs and help your plants thrive.